Good morning, everyone. Jaita, Leah, Humaira, and I, Drashti, as Group 1, are going to present in front of you to simple yet iconic furniture design from 1930s, namely the zigzag chair and the Hardoy chair. These two chairs are designed by different designers in the same decade, but what makes that analysis interesting is how the designer used different ideologies to reach the two unique functional chairs. The presentation will draw out the differences between both the chairs in terms of structure, underlying ideologies, and the material used. We will also give an overview of historical context and the factors affecting the production of these chairs, along with the user experience involved. Beginning with the social economic situation, due to the Great Depression of 1930s, no arena was left untouched by its negative effects. Design field had to face economic constraints in production, which led to importance of durable, functional, and inexpensive products. The designer wanted to overcome the labor-intensive and heavy handcrafted work, which further made them rely on machines for manufacturing.
As discussed earlier, mass production had a great impact on the designs of 1930s. Designers started stressing on simple and efficient products which were made of cost-effective materials. Besides this, machines led to fast and consummate production. This made the products economically accepted and easily available to large number of people. The two chairs that we are discussing today were a result of the circumstances discussed previously. The zigzag chair was produced in 1934 by Gerrit Rietveld, whereas after 4 years, in 1938, the Hardoy chair was designed by Joan Kurchan, Antonio Bonnet, and George Ferrari Hardoy, known as BKF. Gerrit used the path of rationalism and their style movement, which regarded reason as the true test of design, while BKF focused on unordinary and imaginative perception of reality, that is surrealism. In 1924, the Schroeder House in Utrecht, the land was designed by Gerrit Rietveld. Following the principle of this style movement, which mainly focused on vertical and horizontal lines. So the zigzag chair was made following the same principles to blend it with the house, whereas the Hardoy chair was designed for an apartment building in Buenos Aires, featuring curvilinear and orthogonal structure exhibiting surrealism. Hence, Hardoy chair was made following the same footprints.
Considering the design ideologies of Schroeder House and the notion of producing a chair which is functional and easily produced, Gerrit Rietveld added his own touch to the ideologies of rationalism and digital movement. This was the main reason behind using just 4 rectangular planks of natural finished hardwood. Horizontal and vertical lines are evident in how the back, the seat, and the foot of the chair are placed. The use of a oblique line can be seen in the way leg is fixed to the foot and the seat of the chair. He believed in direct sense of reality and immediate life, which led him to design the most basic imitated version of the way humans sit.
Backing the ideologies used in Buenos Aires, Joan Kurchan, Antonio Bonnet, and George Ferrari Hardoy incorporated surrealism to produce this furniture piece. The suspended seat of the chair is inspired from butterfly's wings, which makes it stand out from the rest. All the three designers believed that surrealism is freedom from excessive subjection demanded by rationalism, a concept totally different from the previous one. These concepts are juxtaposed in its overall design and the materials used. Although the chair has an unstable organic form, it is physically stable. Moreover, there is